When your state select water heater fails to produce hot water, the igniter is often the culprit. The igniter is responsible for igniting the gas that heats your water. Safety is paramount when working with gas appliances. Before beginning any troubleshooting, you must turn off both the gas supply and electricity to the water heater unit. Start your troubleshooting by checking the pilot light if your model has one. If the pilot light is not lit, follow the manufacturer's instructions to relight it safely. For electronic ignition systems, carefully inspect the igniter for any visible damage such as cracks or wear. Also check that all electrical connections are secure. Next, check for gas flow issues. Ensure the gas valve is fully open and the gas line is free from obstructions. Clean the thermocouple and flame sensor to remove any buildup. Check the control panel for any error codes and consult your manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Error codes can provide valuable clues about what's causing the problem. Common problems include a pilot light that won't stay lit, often caused by a faulty thermocouple, dirty pilot tube, or low gas pressure. If the igniter isn't sparking, it may be worn out, or there could be interrupted gas flow. Critical safety warning. If you smell gas at any point during troubleshooting, stop immediately and contact a professional or your local gas company. Never ignore the smell of gas. These troubleshooting steps will help identify most common igniter problems. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to replace the igniter, which we'll cover in the next section. When troubleshooting confirms a faulty igniter, replacement becomes necessary. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the safe replacement process. Step 1. Safety first. Always turn off the power supply to your water heater before beginning any work. This prevents electrical hazards during the replacement process. Step 2. Carefully remove the old igniter. Take note of how it's positioned and connected before removal. Handle the ceramic components gently as they can be fragile. Step 3. Inspect the old igniter for visible signs of damage or wear. Look for cracks in the ceramic, corrosion on metal parts, or damaged wiring connections. Step 4. Install the new igniter, ensuring it's securely in place. Make sure all connections are tight and the igniter is properly positioned for optimal performance. Step 5. If replacing the thermocouple, follow these detailed steps. Turn the gas control knob to pilot position, press down, then turn to off. Set the thermostat dial to pilot lighting position. Next, remove the access door at the bottom of the unit. Loosen the pilot gas line, thermocouple pipe, and burner gas pipe. Disconnect wires from the thermal switch, then remove the pilot light assembly. Step 6. After replacement, always check for gas leaks using a soap and water solution. Apply the solution to all gas connections and look for bubbles that indicate leaks. Step 7. Remember that water heater servicing requires specific skills and knowledge. If you're uncomfortable with any of these steps or unsure about working with gas, contact a certified technician. Also, check your warranty before performing repairs yourself.